How's it going? It's Baxter at carwashcountry.com. And since it's cold out there today, I want to share 5 quick tips to help you keep your car's interior clean during the winter months. Most of these only take a few seconds each week. The first tip, swapping in rubber floor mats. At the beginning of winter, I highly recommend replacing your carpeted mats with rubber floor mats, especially if you live in an area where it's easy to track in sand or salt from the roads. Rubber mats are super easy to shake out and rinse off, so you don't have to worry about dirty water soaking into your carpet and drying. That's where that mildew and musty smell often comes from, is in the carpet fibers. Hand in hand with that, tip number 2 is to use a moisture absorber in winter. I like to use these because it helps remove any of the snow and any of the liquid that evaporates. It can help freshen up the interior pretty quickly. I have one here behind me on this shelf. Damp Rid's a company that makes these things. They're really easy to use. You'll see water collect in them after you've left them in your car for a little while. And so if you're getting in your car with a coat on, in and out with boots, it really helps to keep things fresh. Tip number 3 is keeping your windshield clean on the inside of the car and the outside. A lot of people neglect the inside of the windshield, but your defroster in the winter will work a lot better if your interior windshield is cleaner. And that's because if there is a film of dirt on the inside of the windshield, it makes it a lot easier for water and water droplets to cling to the windshield. If you use a microfiber towel or a windshield cleaning wand, which is what I prefer, it'll make it harder to stick to the interior. Quick tip, if you want a full tutorial on removing windshield haze of really any kind, check out our video on this topic. Tip number 4, condition your leather seats, especially when the air is dry. Heaters tend to dry things out more in the winter. That's usually when cracking happens if you have leather or vinyl seats. So to get ahead of this, highly recommend a leather conditioner. I like the Lexol brand. It's a cleaner and conditioner specific for leather, and it creates a little bit of a protective barrier. A little goes a long way. Just a good idea when the air dries out, things get a little bit more brittle. Tip number 5, and this is a tip for everybody, is to build a winter interior car kit. You can find these caddies on Amazon. You can find them everywhere online. And it's a good idea to include a snow brush, a couple of microfiber towels, maybe even some disposable gloves. It's a great time to check your jumper cables, or if you have a jump starter, anything you might need for winter. I'm a big fan of being prepared. Some of these caddies even include a small built-in trash can. So during your lunch break, if you want to wipe down some surfaces, throw away any trash, the most important thing here is that a little preparation goes a long way when it's really cold outside, just to keep a cleaner interior, especially if you're like me and you spend a lot of time in the car. So those are 5 tips. I hope it helps. If you like content like this, if you're a beginner, check out our channel at Carwash Country and the website carwashcountry.com. My name's Baxter, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.